We've just had the latest US inflation update, this time for the month of January, and it was higher than expected. Want to know more? Keep watching. Hello, I'm David and this is Trading Today. We've just had the latest CPI update from the US, that is the Consumer Price Index, the most important measure of inflation, and this figure has been trending downwards since the summer of last year. It was up at 9.1% in June last year. It ended this year at plus 6.5%. Market was expecting it to come in at plus 6.2%. It came in at plus 6.4%. Bear in mind, this is the headline number, including food and energy, year on year. However, that was slightly down on last month's reading, and we saw the same picture playing out for core inflation. That includes food and energy. Again, a little bit higher than expected this time round, but below what it was last month. So trending in the right direction, but above expectations. In market, initially we saw the US stock indices sell off a little bit, and then they turned around very sharply and took out the high of the day and carried on upwards. However, they have pulled back since then. We're now trading in negative territory. We've still got over half an hour though to go until the opening of US equity markets. Now, as for in the broader picture, I think what this says is that the markets are finally taking on board what the Federal Reserve has been telling them for some time, and that is that the Fed sees that inflation isn't yet beaten and that they're going to have to tighten rates more than the market has been expecting. So at the moment, we're expecting at least another 225 basis point hikes, one in March, another in May, and there's also now a slightly raised probability of a third 25 basis point hike sometime, maybe June, maybe a little bit beyond that. Markets, though, still a little bit optimistic in expecting the rate of the Fed to start cutting rates towards the end, if not at the end of the year. So for now, there hasn't been any panic. There hasn't been a Valentine's Day massacre, so that's a relief. And things are fairly steady as we go at the moment. I hope you found this helpful and of interest. And if you have, please like and follow. And I'd like to say, as always, thank you very much for watching. Best of luck with your trading. Goodbye.